Good morning, everyone. Gretchen Mullin-Sawicki from NHTI, Concord Community College, with my weekly vlog. Today I have about 5 things that I want to talk to you about. The first thing is that our campus will be celebrating literacy as well as mental health awareness. And of course, I'm talking about the NHTI Campus Reads program. This program, we're going to be looking at the book called Girl Interrupted. Many years ago, I watched the movie. It was a good movie. Here's a flyer. You've probably seen the flyer around the campus. Just promoting the fact that there will be a mental health resource fair on Tuesday, October 8th. That's next week from 12 to 2. Lots of things for the students to see. Encourage them to go. Encourage yourself to go as well. And of course, the movie will be showing. Let's see, it's on November 15th. So lots of things going on. Read the book. I'm going to pick it up. I haven't read it, just saw that movie. So read the book, get involved, promote mental health awareness. So that's the first thing. Second thing is we have to remember that these emergency information sheets should not just stick on the wall, but we want to make sure that we're very familiar with certain things that are written on the sheet. So talk to your students about these items. The first thing I was looking at, it says severe weather. Talk to them what happens if the class is canceled. Do you have a Canvas site? Do you have had anything makeup for them to do or to work on? Have that conversation with the students. The second thing we all need to be aware of the location of the AEDs. You want to talk to your students about that too. And if the folks outside of the classroom, when I'm always talking about inside and outside to everybody. But know where those AED locations are. I'm happy to see there's one in Little Hall. So check these out, review them with students, take a look at it and be aware of it. Don't just have it sitting there not having any meaning to you. Third thing is that tomorrow there is a content curation. It's a free workshop organizing your digital resources for the classroom. Thought this looked really good from 9 to 2. As I said, it's free. All you need to do is bring in peanut butter or jelly for the End 68 Hours of Hunger program. And this is sponsored by the Education Club. So we've got some cool flyers for that as well. You'll probably see them all over the place. Next is we need to really think. We are all marketers, so we have some really interesting new good programs that our business and industry training program is putting on. So another flyer, lots of flyers today. I just was really pleased to see we have new mindful communication classes. These are non-credit classes, so new place, new way to register, very easy. You just have to get online. Email if you want more information. Of course, you can email nhtibc@ccsnh.edu. But I guess the point is that we have so many good things going on at this college, so we all have to market these things. We can't just rely on Chris Metcalf or our social media, but we all are marketers. So let's share the good news and the great things that are going on at the college. Okay, flyer. Okay, and the last thing, this is something that I decided that I'm going to do for each vlog. I'm going to end with something that I'm calling the data dash. It's not a dashboard. I'm just going to give you one small short piece, a dash of data that we can just kind of keep in mind and know the data, the numbers at our college. So today I'm going to be talking about, you probably know this, but our 5 top majors. Our 5 top majors are, I'm going to peek without my glasses, general studies, liberal arts, business administration, criminal justice, and our non-degree majors. So what does this mean to me? This data shows me that a lot of our students don't know what careers they want to go into. And when we have the liberal arts, we have the general studies, we have these, of course, criminal justice and business, they do know. But we have a lot of students that are really kind of experimenting, and that's a good thing to figure out what they want to do. But it's also an opportunity to have these career discussions with our students. Tell them about different careers. Encourage them to find out about different careers. We have something called an MZ software that's wonderful. It talks about different careers. There's different ways you can learn about. It's really an economic modeling software. We're going to have workshops at open houses and throughout the semester. So you'll be learning and hearing more about MZ. But think about those career discussions. Those discussions are so important for you to have with all of our students. Okay, so that's the data dash for today. Just knowing what those 5 top majors are and realizing that our students are undecided. So have a great Friday.